plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am making a very stressed looking Shieldon. So if you're not into that kind of content, I recommend leaving now and waiting until I make a better Pokemon. So if you're new here, not all of my Pokemon are hits, not all of them are super good, but I am trying to make every single Pokemon, so it is what it is. And I do have some really cool stuff coming in the next couple days, but right now we are just hanging out with a very stressed looking Shieldon. I made this one after a really long day of work, so he just kind of absorbed how I was feeling, and I'm sorry Shieldon, I'm so sorry. But after Shieldon, we have some viewer requested stuff coming up. We have a Golem, a Graveler, Geodude, Pikachu, Solrock, Minior, and Onyx. So look forward to seeing those. And yeah, so I am working with some shiny papers for this one, like the gray sheets there. They look very metallic, which I thought was perfect for a Pokemon that has a shield for his face. And I'm cutting out two pieces for the face so that it looks kind of 3D, because there's like that line that runs through it. And yeah. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you are having fun crafting stuff or taking a break, whatever you gotta do. I've been crafting a lot. I've been crafting quite a bit. I'm really excited that I'm getting closer to 100 Pokemon. I know I say that like every other video, but I've been working really hard to try to get there. So at this point, Shieldon doesn't look super stressed. It's when I get to the eyes and then you'll see like it doesn't look right. But right now I'm just putting the face together. There is a tiny bit of gold or yellow on his face in between the eyes, so I'm working on that piece and getting his snout on as well. We finally had like a really nice day where I live. It's like really sunny and warm, and it was nice. I went for a nice walk before I started this voiceover. Just enjoying it while I can because it's gonna get cold really soon. So I forgot I had a bigger hole punch that I could have used for the black part of the eye, and I used this tiny one, and I think that's what contributed to Shieldon looking very stressed. And then to make the eye bigger, I just took a black marker and it looks all sloppy and sketchy, and oh man. I'm sorry Shieldon. I haven't felt this bad since I made my Rillaboom like a couple months ago. Oh my gosh, I've been making Pokemon for 5 months now. That's insane. With my attention span? No. I can't believe it. Yeah, because I think I started in June, so 5 months almost. That's crazy. So I'll have 100 done in half a year. Which means at that rate, 200 a year. I should be done in 4 years. I don't even know where I'll be in 4 years. Oh man. To anyone that has been watching my stuff since the beginning, thank you so much. Thank you for sticking around while I learn how to make things. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, I also appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Now I'm working on Shieldon's toes. I have a little bit of gray detail on his back done. I mean, at least the metallic papers I picked are really cool, and his background paper is very fancy. So that's nice. But I still think this Shieldon needs a hug. I needed a hug that day. Today's so much better than that day that I made Shieldon. this really nice gold paper. This was from a fall paper pack. I have used up so much of my fall papers, which is great because fall is winding down, and I'm just glad I'm making the most of it. I used this really light washi tape for the edges. Also has some gold metallic elements to it. And then I just have to glue Shieldon down. I ended up using some puffy stickers so that he would pop off the page a little bit and stand out, because I felt like the gold was a little bit similar to his body. So yeah, that's about it for Shieldon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. If you have any requests, please let me know down in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. I say the same thing every time, but yeah, thank you. See you again later. Bye!